Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, once again, Jake from State Farm. We're on our way to the gas station to meet him. Hopefully he's here. Or there. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Where you at, Jakey? Jake is late. Somebody threw up right there. Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you too.
Jake, today we go off-roading.
I'm not going off-roading on this bike.
In the comment section below, who wants to see Jake go off-roading? Hashtag, let's go, Jake. I mean, it's already dirty, Jake.
It is dirty. I was going to wash it today, actually.
Hashtag, let's go, Jake.
This bike cost me way too much money.
Are you worried about dropping it?
Yeah.
Jake, you know where we're going to today?
I do not.
You took me to a pretty good chicken sandwich spot a couple weeks ago. I got a spot for you. If you can figure out how to say madly in love in Korean, you'd decipher the code. That's where we're going. I was browsing around on Instagram. I came across some page, and they were drifting around, man, on the streets. I was like, these roads look really familiar. And this is where they were drifting around the corners. So I want to come through and see if I can see their marks. And yep, there they are. They're drifting. Wish I would have known it, man. I would have came and watched. You know what? Just thought of something. Today's Tuesday, which means it's Taco Tuesday. Best day of the week. I didn't even eat breakfast, man. I think we need a little appetizer. Let's swing by Cook's Corner, grab a quick taco, then we'll head out to eat some chicken. More food, right? It's like bonus. It's bonus for you guys. More destination. Jake, are you hungry? Let's go get an appetizer. Oh, this dude's like letting us go by. That's cool. Thanks, dude. That's a little weird. Thanks, sir. Usually they get over to the right for you, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Cook's Corner for Taco Tuesday. Have you ever had tacos from Cook's Corner?
I have not, no.
They used to be $1. I don't think they're $1 anymore, Jake. I'll tell you what, you buy us one taco each, and I'll buy us the chicken.
Sounds good to me.
They're pretty good here, you know.
I always got the burgers from here, that's about it.
I never cared for their burgers.
No?
Good. Thanks. No pictures or videoing allowed.
Two beef tacos? Two beef tacos. Yeah. $6.47, guys.
$6.47 for two tacos. Were these tacos over $3 each?
Yeah.
It is Tuesday, right?
Yep.
Cook's Corner. We got some appetizing tacos before the main event. Dude, they were expensive. I thought they would be $1. $1 tacos. Cook's Corner used to have $1 tacos. These tacos were over $3 each.
Two tacos is $6.47, I think it was.
Maybe we missed Taco Tuesday. Like maybe it starts like later in the day. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, right?
12:23.
Yeah. Well, whatever. All right, let's go. Chicken sandwiches await. Let me tell you about the place we're going to. The place we're going to, it's called Holdaak, which means madly in love, I guess, in Korean. At least that's what the website said. And why Korean? Because this is a Korean theme. Chicken of the East, fried chicken of the East. This place has a great rating on Yelp. One of the highest I've seen in this category. There's 3 locations. The one we're going to is in Orange. The original is in Fullerton, and it's a celebrated chicken spot. So we're gonna go with a couple of spicy chicken sandwiches and grab some of their wings. Looks like they have some really good wings. As you guys might remember, Jake is the chicken guy. He works at a wing spot called Epic Wings. So we're kind of leaving it up to him to let us know if these places are good or not, man. Yeah, so spicy chicken sandwich, hot wings coming to you shortly. I haven't pulled this dude out in a while. Let's see what I can get you. Man, it's a nice neighborhood. Taft. We're on Taft Road. Look at that house. Are these houses? Is that a house? Uh-oh. I think my headlight stopped working. Yep. I knew it wasn't going to work very much longer. I officially cannot ride this bike at night now. Turn left to my destination. That doesn't even make sense. I think it's in here. Dude, I don't know what's happening. My GPS is going nuts. It's definitely not in here. Well, Zito's Pizza is. If you can't find it, we're going to eat pizza. Oh, there it is. I see the sign. Hi. Hey, there it is. What's up, man? Can we do 2 chicken spicy sandwiches and 6-piece wings? Can I get 3 spicy, 3 caramel soy?
It's actually one flavor for this.
Which one's the popular one?
Caramel soy is pretty popular. That's like a garlicky, sweet.
Yeah, all right, let's do that. Jake, where are we gonna eat this stuff?
That's a great question. I was wondering the same exact thing.
Want to just sit on the curb again? All right, Jake. Holdaak fried chicken from the east. We got 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. What did you think of yours?
It was pretty good. I think the coleslaw was a little too much on it, but overall it was pretty good to say the least.
I don't know if that was coleslaw. I think that was like pickled radishes and peppers.
I said coleslaw. I don't know.
Oh, maybe it was. Yeah, I didn't care for that either. I kind of pulled mine off. So did you. We also got the caramel soy wings. You're a wing dude. How'd they stack?
It was an interesting flavor, but it was really good though. I did enjoy it, definitely.
A little too sweet for me. I like the place. The place is pretty good, man. I see what the buzz is. It's got this own Korean little spin to it. We got the spicy chicken. It wasn't overly hot. It wasn't mild. It was right there in the middle, man. It was kind of a happy medium, if you ask me.
I agree with that one.
All in all, bill was about 25 bucks. That covered 2 spicy chicken sandwiches and 6 wings. I'm not unhappy with my visit. I'm glad we came today. If you guys are in the area, swing by, check it out. Let me know what you guys think of the spot.